You collect wisdom like trophies, but your life remains unchanged. Your phone holds 1,000 quotes about discipline, yet you hit snooze every morning. You save posts about stoic strength, then crumble at the first sign of stress. You buy books on productivity. Your desk stays cluttered. Your goals stay distant. Your brain tricks you into feeling wise when you are simply well-informed. Knowledge without practice is decoration, not foundation. Ancient philosophers knew this truth. They did not hoard wisdom. They became it. Marcus Aurelius did not just read about virtue. He ruled an empire with it. Seneca did not collect quotes about resilience. He faced exile with grace. The comfortable delusion is thinking that knowing equals growing. It does not. Wisdom is not what you can recite. It is what you can withstand. Stop collecting. Start becoming. The gap between knowing and being is where character dies or is born. Choose. That's the marble mindset.